Hey everyone, I'm Shalini Joshi Amdagni, and in this video, I'm talking about how to develop a deeper relationship with your body. You know, you have relationships with lots of people in your life, but one of the most important relationships that you have is with your body. You live inside this body. It's the closest relationship that you have, and it'll be the only relationship that you'll have throughout your life till you leave the planet. So it's really important to develop an honest, trusting, open, honest relationship with your body. And how can you do that? So in my book, Instant Pain Relief, I have a chapter that is called Metaphorically Understanding Your Body. And it shares with you how every part of your body, the head, the nose, the ears, the eyes, the knees, the hips, the ankles, the fingers, the hands, every part of your body, when it's speaking, it has a message for you. For example, if you have an eye pain, there's some message there. If you have a lower back pain, the body is giving you feedback. It's communicating with you, but are you listening? Are you listening to what that message is? And you might say, I don't know what the message is. How do I listen? And in my book, I share with you all the key areas of the body and their messages. And so what you can do is that every day you can do a daily check-in with your body. I have a daughter in New York, and I would like to do a daily check-in with her, but we end up doing maybe a weekly check-in or a couple of times because, of course, they need their space. But you can do a daily check-in with yourself and ask yourself, how am I doing today? How are you doing today, Shalini, or whoever, you can ask yourself. And one of the ways, of course, if you're emotionally upset or there's mentally lots going on with you, that's one way to check in. But one way is very easily check in with your body. So recently, I've been going for walks. I go for walks daily, but recently I've been noticing a tightness and an achiness in my right lower back. I noticed that my right knee feels stiff and tensed and achy. And I also noticed that my right ankle is weak, like it feels weak. It doesn't feel strong enough. And so I know from experience and from reading a lot of books on chakra diagnosis and chakra balancing and listening to your body, that the right side of the body is about doing. It's the masculine energy. It's the left side is the feminine energy, and the right side is the masculine energy, the masculine principle, which is about doing and taking action and getting things done. That is the right side of the body. And the lower back, as I say in my book, is all about family, finances, and feelings of security or insecurity or not feeling stable. I'm trying to find the message here. Here it is, lower back pain. This part of the body is part of the root chakra. And the key issues here are family, finances, survival, safety, and stability. So as I notice my lower back pain, I'm asking myself, am I having worries about my family? Am I having worries about my finances? Am I feeling stable? Am I feeling insecure? And sure enough, there are issues that are bothering me right now that are related to these issues. And my body is letting me know through this lower back pain. And knees, as I mentioned in this book, what the knees are about is when the knees are not achy and not stiff, you're going with the flow, you're bending with the changes in your life, right? And when there is a stiffness, when there is an achiness, then I ask myself, where am I being stiff in my views? Where am I not being flexible? What are the changes? Because knees help you change. They help you stand, they help you sit. If you didn't have knees, you couldn't do all of that, right? They are that flexible part of the body that allow you to move and change and dance and sit and uh, frolic around. And so what are the changes that have been going on in your life that have been hard to accept? Ankles are about, the ankles hold your entire weight of your body. So when my ankle was feeling weak, I asked myself, where am I feeling weak? Which areas of my life am I not feeling strong? So as you pay attention to different parts of your body on a daily basis, just checking in, how are you doing? It gives me clues where I am blocking myself, where I'm resisting, where I'm not going with the flow. And when you're not going with your flow and your body's giving you messages and you keep ignoring them, that's when things start adding up. And so as I did the tapping, and I actually in the book, for example, for the lower back pain, there is also tapping tips on what you can do, the exact script that you can use for tapping on the lower back pain. So as I address those feelings of insecurity and financial worries and family worries and all the changes that have been going on in the past couple of months that haven't been fun, I was able to, release and clear. And I just wanted to share that in this video, how easy it is to just listen to your body, to become a Sherlock Holmes of your own body and be able to decipher and decode what's going on with your body, to develop a better understanding of what the body is saying yourself, right? Because you live in the body, you know what's going on with you. If you go to the doctor, they'll give you a technical assessment. They don't know that she has money worries, that she has worries about her kids, that there have been lots of different changes that have been going on in her life that have been hard to accept. There's no way, no scan, no lab test, no instrument that can detect that. And that is the reason why it's so important for you to take charge of your health and know yourself and deepen that relationship with your body so that you can listen to those deeper messages. And my book, Instant Pain Relief, shares with you the tool EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques, or tapping that you can use by yourself, on yourself, to address these worries, these doubts, these fears, and release them so that you can stay in flow. And you know now that when you stay in flow, you do better in your mind, in your body, in your spirit. Everything works better when you're in flow. So I hope you will do a daily check-in and ask yourself, how are you doing in there? And start listening and decoding those deeper messages that your body is trying to send you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, share it with others, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.